Welcome to day 9 of the Advent Challenge, and today's prompt is kindness. How can you share kindness today? I'm going to do a little bit of journaling in this little card, some very simple doodling in my book using this little belly band here. Today I went to a supermarket and I bought a few gifts for a friend that I'll be sending away to her. She lives in Scotland, so I've made a little hamper up for her and her husband for Christmas. There was a charity there collecting for Christmas donations, so I added a little bit of money into their bucket as well. It wasn't a great deal, but I feel like I did something nice and kind today. I think this is a reminder just to do something simple. Sometimes it's kindness to ourselves, or just do what you can in this time of year. It's not always possible to give large amounts of money to charities because we're not always in a position to do that. But if we can just give what we can spare and do the small kindnesses, then that can make all the difference to somebody. And also remember to extend that kindness to yourself, because this can be quite a busy season and we can get a little bit fraught and overly busy, and sometimes I think we just need to remember to be kind to ourselves as well and just do what we can. So this is a really simple spread that I've done today. It's all I could manage, but hopefully you've enjoyed seeing it anyway. Remember that you can still sign up for the journaling challenge, and the details are down in the description, and you're more than welcome to join us. Let me know how you're getting on yourself if you are actually doing some of the prompts. That's it for today, so I look forward very much to seeing you in the next video. You take care. Bye-bye.